Tenba Tool Boxes were designed to organize and protect smaller camera gear and accessories inside your larger bags. Think of them as like a cable pouch with more protection, or even a miniature camera bag right down to their adjustable interior dividers. Toolboxes fit everything from Osmo Pockets and audio kits to mirrorless cameras and lenses. The crystal clear TPU window allows you to see everything that's inside without having to unzip the case, which will save you tons of time and frustration. They can fit shoe mount flashes, microphones, radio triggers, light meters, and anything else that needs more protection than you would get from a normal pouch. They're available in 3 sizes, 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch, depending on how much gear you need to organize. They're made with water-repellent fabric and durable YKK zippers to ensure years of use. Tenba toolboxes are amazingly versatile, and they will keep your smaller gear protected and organized inside all your larger bags.